As a player, it took me years to go from state to national to international. At every step, I realized that with a little bit more of hard work, I can achieve the next level. As youth, as young kids, all of you are living with a tremendous possibility. I think that would be very important to recognize.
Good evening everyone, I am Sanvi Singh of grade 2. I tell you what Pulela Gopichan sir told us. First thing is, to achieve any goal, we should work hard and never give up. Second thing is, keep trying it again and again to achieve any goal. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Maulik Tejwant. I am going to say some few words that Mr. Gopi Chand has told. First is, we should be courageous. We should never give up at all. Then second is that we should wake up early in the morning. Thank you.
But truly, in my entire journey, I have loved what I have done. And that meant that these words of hard work, discipline, and dedication, which look as very dry words, were replaced by things which I love, which I am involved with, and things which I like to do, and things which make me feel energized and challenging to do. That is what is important as young kids. It is to recognize that if you love what you do, then the words hard work, discipline, determination won't come up as much as dry words, but they will come up to you as pleasant things because you like what you want to do.
Good evening everyone, I am Himanshi Priyadarshini. On 15 August 2020, Mr. Pulela Gopichand was invited for a virtual meeting with the student of SIS. We were all very excited to attend the meeting. Mr. Pulela Gopichand was born on 16 November 1973 in Andhra Pradesh. We learned that we must be focused and disciplined in order to achieve something we have dreamed about. He also said, which really inspired me, was that even after his knee injury, he did not lose his hope to be the best. We inspired to achieve big dreams, we must learn to sacrifice small dreams. To achieve something, we must sacrifice something. Thank you.
Suraj Singh from grade 4. I learned from Gopi Chand. Number 1. We should do physical activities and sports. Number 2. We should not watch movies, games and watch TV. Number 3. One work at a time, means you should focus on the work. Number 4. The sir told that Olympic comes in 4 years one time. For you, but for you and us, Olympic is every day.
It was a really great time to watch Mr. Gopi Chand live, and I think this was a lifetime achievement for me. He was very clearly put the things in a right way. The two most important outcome, I think, is first, willingness to achieve our goal, and second is best use of available sources to reach our goal. Thank you.
I've had many failures in my life, and success, you must have heard the saying that success is a ladder which goes from failure to failure. And in reality, there is nothing like failure if you learn from it. To be able to learn from your failures and to keep being enthusiastic in a childlike manner towards failure is something which is very, very important.
Learning outcome that I have learned from the session of Pulela Gopi Chand are: we should be brave enough to admit our failure and rectify our silly mistake. We must always focus on the incoming changes rates than the failure. We should pay attention to the goal for better future journey. Thank you.
Good evening. First of all, I would thank Pura Gopichand for coming in our assembly, and then I will tell what I have learned from Pura Gopichand. What I have learned from Pura Gopichand first, that participate, it doesn't matter if you win or lose. Second, we should never give up. And thank you.
As kids, you have a tremendous opportunity to do great things in life. But also realize that many of them can get busy doing nothing. We can be on the phone for hours, one YouTube after YouTube, or one Netflix after Netflix, one game after game can actually make us very busy doing nothing. That is something we need to kind of refrain from doing.
Good evening everyone. I am Priyanshu and today I am going to tell about a highly trained badminton player, Pulela Gopichand. He was live with us on Microsoft Teams. I felt myself and other team of Sapphire luckily enough to have a great badminton player of India on Independence Day. I was highly inspired with his motivational speech. In brief, he told us about his detailed journey of his career. He told us not to remain buried in doing nothing. He advised to keep ourselves away from using mobile phones and other electronic gadgets. He told us to participate in any game of your choice and do regular practice. Then these points I noted from his speech, and have a nice day. Thank you.
My name is Prashta. Pulela Gopichand sir told that Olympics comes in 4 years, but you think that Olympic comes all day. Pick a sport and play. One work at a time means you should focus one work at a time. Third point, we should not waste times in phones, laptops, TVs, etc. We should play outdoor games. Thank you.
I learned from Pulela Gopichand sir was I should be focused to my goals. I should work hard to achieve my goals in life. Nothing is impossible if we determine to achieve something in life.
Good evening everyone. I am Tanya from Mr. Pulela Gopichand session. I have learned to follow my passion, to be hardworking. We should be positive. We should not just try to win, but to do it nicely. We should try our best.
Every time I had a goal, I was thinking about winning a tournament or playing a particular tournament. I would get injured and then my goal would go for a toss. It happened repeatedly many times. Till at a point of time I realized that this whole objective of goal setting and thinking about goals and saying that I will become a champion or I think it didn't make sense, at least to me. What made sense was every day to get up in the morning and do the best of what you can. And perfection was not the goal, progress was the goal.
The learning outcome from the session with Pulela Gopichand are as follows. He told us never get upset when you lose because you learn from your mistakes. The only thing you have to do in your life is hard work for the thing which you want to achieve in your life. Winning or losing doesn't matter as long as we try to achieve our goals and give our 100%. Thank you.
I have only read of Pulela sir in books, and getting to see him live was beyond anything I ever dreamt of. The way he talked to us inspired us and taught the importance of pursuing what we like and working hard to achieve our goals.
I'm Richa Adarsh of Class 6A. Pulela Gopichand came at our talk show on 15th August 2020 and at our 74th Independence Day. And he shared the key to success to all of us. He shared that we should never give up in life. Second was that we should keep working hard. And third was you should never be distracted by anything else in your path. And you should do whatever you think is right. Thank you.
Good afternoon, I'm Shreyangshi and I'm very happy that I got the opportunity to meet a very famous badminton player, Mr. Gopi Chand sir. And I also got to learn a lot from him, like how to succeed in our life, how to achieve our goals, and we should always enjoy the things we are doing, and we should not give up. Like whatever the difficulties are, we should never give up, and we should keep trying, and we should keep doing hard work. The only way to succeed in life is to do hard work, and we shouldn't be dependent on someone. We should be independent, and we should have faith in ourselves. We should believe in ourselves. Thank you.
Good evening, I'm Athara Chauhan of Class 6A, going to say what I learned from Mr. Pulela Gopichand. It was a real honor to listen to Mr. Pulela Gopichand on the eve of 74th Independence Day. It was really inspiring and helpful for getting new insights for our life. Things that really meant what to me are: Number 1. Pain is temporary and quitting lasts forever. Number 2. One should be very clear with his mission and vision. That is its goal. And most important, you need to be very disciplined. Without discipline, you cannot achieve your goal. And finally, you must learn to value your time. Thank you for listening.
We have this desire to enjoy. And I would say that the more we delay our enjoyment, the more fruitful our life would be.
Good morning everyone, I Toshiba Khanam of class 7 going to say 3 things that I learned from Pulela Gopichand. So, first point, we must focus on personal excellence and improving every day rather than just winning. We must be brave enough to admit our silly mistakes. I also learned that we must quickly forget our failures and focus on the challenges ahead. Thank you.
ये बताया कि हमको एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ करनी चाहिए और बच्चे आधे से ज़्यादा फ़ोन और लैपटॉप पे ही गेम खेलते रहते हैं. अगर वो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़, एक्सरसाइज और गेम्स खेलेंगे, आउटडोर गेम्स, तो उनको बीमारी बहुत कम होगी.
Good morning, I am Vishwaraj of grade 7A. I learned from Pulela Gopichand sir that we have to have the spirit for winning all the games. I learned that we have to not, if we will lose also, then also we have to not be sad and we'll be happy. Thank you.
I learned a lot from Pulela Gopichand sir, especially how to do hard work. I was really inspired by his domination, skill and his interest in badminton. The way Pulela Gopichand sir achieved his goals of life was very interesting. His hard work, domination, persistent, strong mindset and positive vibes were really encouraging. I tend to be a self-confident person as him in the near future.
This session was very nice, inspiring, very good, very nice, exciting also. On the last Saturday, 15th August, on our Independence Day with Mr. Pulela Gopichand, It was very nice, exciting. Thank you.
If you live in a farm, which I am doing at the moment, you realize that when a tree comes to fruit in the early years, 1, 2, the farmers will not take the fruit. They will cut the buds because they will want the tree to wait for a couple of years till the stem gets bigger and the branches get bigger, so that the fruits get bigger and juicier and sweeter. In a similar way, if you as kids start to enjoy life early, then it would mean that in your life, all the fruits which you will bear will be small and sweetless. So I would urge all of you to spend a lot more time investing in youth to learn new things.
Good morning. The most important thing that I learned from Puella Gopi Chand is that keep adapting to whatever happens. Like he had an injury in his knee at the age of 28, and he had just won the only tournament, ever big tournament that he won, and he didn't let that stop him. He started teaching other students how to play badminton, and that's the whole point. It's that keep adapting and keep doing something that you love to do and you want to do.
Good evening. My name is Archit Aryan, and I'm happy that Chief Guest Mr. Pulela Gopichand came to our Sapphire International School meeting on 15th August on the occasion of Independence Day. He told us many great things about life and told us the key to the success in life. Some of the things which I would like to implement as a student after listening to him in my life are as follows. First, I will be focused and determined in whatever work I do. Second, I will not get distracted by other activities while doing my work. Third, I will not make gadgets my priority. And finally, I will spend time doing the activities I like to do.